Uno, dos, one, two, tres, cuatro.
Great night. Now we're going to use the leaf blower. This is the vacuum setting of the leaf blower. On this end, we tape a 3-inch insulation hose. That goes all the way up to our attic. We just use duct tape. Gorilla Tape is cooler because it's black. Blower. What happens is the wool gets sucked in through the vacuum through here. Right here. Comes off easily. There's this impeller. What this impeller does is when the wool hits it, it starts to break it up a little bit. That helps the wool to relax because the wool was compressed for shipping. And you turn it on.
Bullet, 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 bullet. Watch it now.